Namaskar friends. Today I have this question. Do certain doshas like Kaal Sarpa Dosha hold unique significance in Vedic astrology? And what are their potential impacts on an individual? Actually, this Kaal Sarpa Dosha was not seen anywhere in the text Brihat Parasara Hora Shastra written by Parasara Maharishi and Brihat Jataka written by Varaha Migira. Maybe in the later period some astrology specialists would have identified this. Their argument is in one way logical. That is, when all the planets are trapped between Rahu and Ketu, then that horoscope is not a normal horoscope. Actually, this Rashi, we call it as Rashi chart, right? This Rashi chart has got the name because of Rahu and Ketu. Rahu's first letter Ra and Ketu's another name is Shiki. So Ketu's first letter C. Both are taken into consideration as Rashi. That is a Rashi chart. The reason behind these two is these two planets are karmic control planets, Rahu and Ketu. Ketu talks about your past karma and of course your future karma, and Rahu talks about your present karma. So there is a karmic connection between past, present and future by this Rahu and Ketu. This has made the astrology experts to claim that if all the planets are between Rahu and Ketu, the chart has become a special chart. And they call it as Kaal Sarpa Dosha. When all the planets, including Lagna, all the planets. And based on that, they have given some predictions about the result of Kaal Sarpa Dosha horoscopes. But in my experience, I have observed that whatever said about this Kaal Sarpa Dosha horoscopes is not 100% true. They normally say the people will suffer till 32 years and only after 32 years their life will take a shape, and still their life will be a struggle, and it is better for them to get married after 32 years. All these things are not really happening in some charts. So it depends upon the chart's individual strength. For example, if the other 7 planets are placed in either friendly or their own house or in exalted status in between Rahu and Ketu, Kaal Sarpa Dosha do not take into any impact, do not give any impact into the minds of the people, into the horoscopes of the people. So we have to see the individual horoscope strength before deciding the impact on an individual, particularly the impact of Kaal Sarpa Dosha on an individual. Hope this gives you a clear answer on this. Let us see another question next week. Thank you.